CoreWeave is a cloud infrastructure company that has carved out a niche in providing specialized services for artificial intelligence applications. Its platforms are designed to support demanding AI workloads, making it a key player in the rapidly expanding field of machine learning and data-driven technologies. As interest in AI continues to grow, CoreWeave's offerings have attracted attention from major industry partners and investors. The company's recent public listing and strategic partnerships signal its ambitions to scale and compete in a dynamic market. For those considering investment opportunities, CoreWeave's focus on AI infrastructure positions it at the forefront of technological innovation, but also brings unique risks and considerations. Understanding the company's business model and market environment is essential before evaluating its stock potential. CoreWeave made its public market debut on March 28, 2025, marking a significant milestone for the cloud infrastructure company. During its initial public offering, the company raised $1.5 billion by selling 37.5 million shares, each priced at $40. Despite the anticipation surrounding its entry into the market, the stock closed flat on its first day of trading, suggesting a subdued response from investors. This lukewarm reception reflected cautious sentiment as market participants weighed CoreWeave's growth prospects against broader industry trends. The IPO's outcome set the stage for subsequent fluctuations in the company's stock performance, highlighting the complexities of investor confidence in the rapidly evolving AI infrastructure sector. Since its initial public offering on March 28, 2025, CoreWeave's stock performance has been marked by notable volatility. The IPO itself raised $1.5 billion, but the stock closed flat on its debut, reflecting a cautious response from investors. In the months following, CoreWeave experienced several sharp fluctuations, including a significant 21% surge on May 27, 2025, which was fueled by positive developments in AI infrastructure and strategic partnerships. Another major boost occurred in late September when news of a $14.2 billion agreement with Meta sent shares climbing. These periods of rapid growth have often been tied to announcements of new contracts and expansion efforts. However, the overall trajectory has been uneven, with market sentiment shifting in response to both financial results and industry news. This pattern underscores the importance of monitoring CoreWeave's ongoing business activities and external partnerships when evaluating its stock performance. CoreWeave has made significant strides in expanding its market presence through strategic partnerships, most notably its $14.2 billion AI infrastructure agreement with Meta. This long-term deal, set to run through 2031, positions CoreWeave as a key provider of advanced cloud solutions for one of the world's largest technology companies. The partnership is expected to substantially boost CoreWeave's revenue, providing a stable and sizable income stream over several years. Additionally, the collaboration with Meta enhances CoreWeave's reputation in the industry, signaling its capability to deliver large-scale, cutting-edge AI infrastructure. Such alliances not only strengthen CoreWeave's financial outlook, but also improve its competitive standing against other cloud service providers. As the demand for AI-driven technologies grows, these strategic relationships are likely to play a crucial role in shaping CoreWeave's future growth and market influence. CoreWeave has recently taken significant steps to strengthen its position in the AI sector through strategic acquisitions. The company agreed to acquire Marimo, known for its open-source notebook technology, with the goal of enhancing its AI development capabilities. Additionally, CoreWeave announced plans to acquire Monolith AI, a developer specializing in machine learning applications for physics, which is expected to broaden its industrial cloud offerings. These moves reflect CoreWeave's commitment to expanding its technical expertise and service portfolio. By integrating advanced tools and specialized talent, The company aims to deliver more robust solutions to clients in industries that rely heavily on AI-driven innovation. Such acquisitions are positioned to support CoreWeave's growth and competitiveness in the rapidly evolving cloud infrastructure market. CoreWeave's financial health is marked by a substantial net debt position, currently estimated at around $13 billion. This level of indebtedness results in a leverage ratio of approximately 7 times EBITDA, which is considered high by industry standards. Such significant leverage can increase financial risk, making the company more vulnerable to changes in interest rates or shifts in market conditions. For investors, this means that while CoreWeave may have growth potential through its strategic partnerships and acquisitions, its ability to manage and service its debt is a critical factor to monitor. High debt levels can limit flexibility and may impact future profitability. Therefore, understanding the implications of CoreWeave's financial structure is essential when evaluating its long-term investment prospects. Analyst opinions can provide valuable insights for investors evaluating new opportunities. Notably, the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, a well-regarded source in the investment community, has not included CoreWeave in its list of top 10 stock recommendations. This exclusion may signal a degree of caution or uncertainty regarding CoreWeave's future performance, especially when compared to other companies that have historically delivered strong returns. While this does not necessarily mean CoreWeave is a poor investment, it suggests that analysts see greater potential elsewhere at this time. Investors should consider this perspective alongside other factors, such as the company's recent partnerships, acquisitions, and financial health, before making a decision. Ultimately, relying on a range of expert opinions can help build a more comprehensive understanding of the risks and opportunities involved. CoreWeave's recent efforts to expand through acquisitions have faced significant challenges. Notably, the company attempted a $9 billion merger with Core Scientific, a major player in the digital infrastructure sector. However, this deal was ultimately terminated after Core Scientific shareholders voted against the proposal, reflecting concerns about the transaction's value and strategic fit. Influential advisory firm ISS also recommended that investors reject the merger, further dampening support. Despite Core Scientific's board urging shareholders to approve the deal, the lack of consensus led to its collapse. These developments highlight the complexities and risks involved in large-scale mergers, particularly in the fast-evolving cloud and AI industries. CoreWeave's acquisition strategy may require reassessment in light of these setbacks. CoreWeave presents a compelling mix of opportunities and risks for potential investors. The company's recent strategic partnerships, such as the multi-billion-dollar agreement with Meta, and acquisitions aimed at expanding its AI capabilities, signal strong growth ambitions. However, these developments come alongside significant financial leverage, with net debt levels around $13 billion and notable market volatility since its IPO. While the prospects for revenue growth are promising, the high debt and fluctuating stock performance introduce considerable risk. Analyst opinions remain cautious, and CoreWeave has not been highlighted among the top recommended stocks by major advisory services. Given these factors, it is essential for investors to carefully evaluate how CoreWeave fits within their broader investment strategy and risk tolerance. Consulting with a qualified financial professional is strongly advised before making any investment decisions regarding CoreWeave.